7 most important AI tools for 2023. Number 1. Chat GPT. A language model that can generate text to improve customer service and product descriptions. Number 2. Dall-E. An AI tool that can generate unique and creative images based on text descriptions. Number 3. Synthesia. A video production tool that uses AI to create videos with virtual presenters speaking multiple languages. Number 4. Midjourney. An AI-powered platform that helps e-commerce businesses optimize their product images and create visual content more efficiently. Number 5. Notion. A collaboration and productivity tool that uses AI to automate repetitive tasks and organize information. Number 6. Voice AI. An AI-powered tool that can analyze customer interactions with voice assistants to improve the customer experience. Number 7. Adobe Podcast. An AI tool that can transcribe audio recordings and generate captions, making it easier for businesses to repurpose audio content for other channels. And the most important AI tool is Bard AI, representative by Google AI. By incorporating these AI tools into your e-commerce businesses, and you can increase your sales,